Hi everybody, so this is week 7 interactive concept for our chemistry 125 class at Doane University. So this week we're going to be talking about molecular geometry. So let's go ahead and get started. So this this example here with the two balloons will be linear molecular geometry. The type of molecule is AB2 with two electron domains. Um, there's no lone pairs, and an example of this molecule can be calcium iodide. Now, when there is a lone pair, so when we have a molecule with three electron domains, and the type of molecule is also AB2, uh, then the electron domain geometry is actually trigonal planar because there is three electron domains, but the molecular shape it would be in the form of a bend because the lone pair is going to bend the molecule. Um, so kind of like what I'm showing right there, just like that. So there you go. Now this type of molecule right here, this shape is trigonal planar. Uh, we know lone pairs, and it would be three electron domains, type of molecule AB3, and an example of this is indium chloride. Um, all right, so this type of molecule right here is going to be uh, trigonal pyramidal. And basically, what I'm showing there with the fingers is that there is an electron domain, lone pair on top right there, and it makes the trigonal pyramidal shape because of that lone pair right there. The it would be this will have four electron domains. Four electron domains. The type of molecule is AB3. The electron domain geometry is tetrahedral, but because it has one lone pair, the molecular geometry is trigonal pyramidal. An example of this is NH3. Alright, so tetrahedral is gonna be like this. Alright, so that's the tetrahedral molecular shape. Um, is it's got four electron domains, type of molecule AB4, uh, no lone pairs. An example of this type of molecule is xenon fluoride. Tetrahedral. Right, it's the seesaw shape. It's got seesaw shape, and it's like that. All right, so seesaw shaped uh, molecular geometry um, will actually have five electron domains. The type of molecule is AB4. The electron domain geometry is trigonal bipyramidal, and it will have one lone pair, and that lone pair will make the trigonal bipyramidal uh, shape become seesaw. Um, and an example of this is sulfur tetrafluoride, SF4. So shape is gonna be just like this. So this is trigonal bipyramidal. All right, so trigonal bipyramidal has five electron domains, type of molecule AB5. And of course, the molecular geometry is the same as the electron domain. There is no lone pair, so trigonal bipyramidal. An example of this is antimony fluoride. Like this is a square pyramid. Square pyramid. All right, so square pyramidal has actually 6 electron domains. The type of molecule is AB5. The electron domain geometry is octahedral, but this molecule has one lone pair, making the molecular shape square pyramidal. An example of this is a bromide pentafluoride, so BRF5. Square pyramid. Octahedral. All right, so octahedral molecular shape. There is 6 electron domains. The type of molecule is AB6. And without any lone pairs, then that's the same molecular geometry. An example of this would be uranium bromide. This is a T-shape, T-shape molecule. Right, so T-shape molecule actually has 5 electron domains. Is AB3 type of molecule. The electron domain geometry is trigonal bipyramidal, but it's got 2 lone pairs. And as a result, the molecular geometry is T-shaped. An example of this is ClF3. Hmm. I guess that's it. I'm all done. So thank you so much, and that's it.